Alright, we are back. We are going to discuss the potential for severe weather later this week and talk with chat, whether that be about the weather or just everything in general. Okay? So, let me get the chat pulled up. Currently, 3 viewers watching, 2 viewers watching. Welcome in, everybody. Some of you are coming from the last brief live stream. So, here's the current Storm Prediction Center homepage. Nothing happening today, and tomorrow's in no severe risk. Today was no thunder. Tomorrow, or Wednesday, 29th of January, a slight risk level 2 out of 5 of severe weather. For Killeen, Copperas Cove, sorry if I'm not saying that right, Kerrville, Brownwood, and Leander, Texas, with a marginal level 1 out of 5 risk for San Antonio, Dallas, Austin, Fort Worth, and Arlington. So that does stretch into the Dallas-Fort Worth area along with the San Antonio, Austin area. Hello Misty, hello Kid Storm coverage, hello Peachy, and I guess hello Streamlabs. Welcome into the live stream, everybody. By the way, moderators, currently the topic and today's severe risk commands are not enabled. I will fix them for either our Wednesday or Thursday stream, whichever day we go live. So, but the rules, welcome, and sub goal are working. So that's Wednesday. This is mainly driven by damaging large hail. Currently no noted tornado risk, but there will be an isolated one at the minimum. Also a isolated damaging severe gust. And then a 15% risk for Austin, San Antonio, and Waco. This used to be a further north and west, but it's more centered on this area now. So we'll keep an eye on that. We're going to get pivotal weather pulled up. Take a look at this model forecast loop. Okay, so this is today. This is right now. Severe weather season coming soon. Yeah, it's right around the corner. So this is today. As we move through Tuesday, a little bit of rain in those areas. That's Wednesday and Thursday where you see those storms. Also could see a tornado threat in these areas. Wouldn't be surprised to see a risk over there. It is going to be pretty active later this week. So I want to take a sounding right here. Okay, might have to do it a bit closer to then. I don't know if the soundings will be too accurate yet. We're going to have to wait a bit longer. But that's where their storms are going to move through. You can look at it on the GFS. So there they are coming in. I think they're going to be a bit further north than this is anticipating. And then with this same system, we could see some snow in the northeast. For anybody who just saw that pop up in the top right, yes, I did get that pie ad blocker thing. Why do I think they're going to be further north? I don't think the GFS is very accurate. It's showing mix and snow in areas where I think we'll see severe weather. I think that pivotal weather is more accurate. I've also seen a lot of people note that. We will see snow as you get into northern Missouri, but it's kind of talking about later in the week. So I think it'll be a little bit further north. There will be some severe threat down here, but obviously the SPC hasn't issued anything yet. But for later in day 4 and day 5, that region should see something. So that's just what I'm thinking. What's wrong, Jesse? We got you crying in the chat. I was thinking that maybe the storms would miss you, and I was thinking you were upset they would miss you, but then I remembered that you're not in that area. So, that's kind of what I'm keeping an eye on. Southern California is finally getting some relief. Also, sorry for any like bumping noise. My microphone's kind of rocking back and forth. I think that fixed it. But Southern California is kind of getting some relief in terms of fire weather. Now it's just the New Mexico-Arizona border with an elevated risk. Will you get snow or thunderstorms in northern Missouri for this system? Great question. Let's take a look. Probably snow and mix. Looking right there. But very isolated, but possible chance you could see thunder snow, and that would be really cool. I've only seen it one time. It's super cool. I saw it up in Breckenridge, Colorado is it April or May? It's really fun. So, it's kind of what I'm keeping my eye on. Did a very brief update video today. Not very detailed, but I will try to either do a live stream like this tomorrow night or, what's it called? Or a video. You're in Bowling Green. Oh, okay, so that's more eastern Missouri that's near St. Louis. So, might be more thunderstorms for you, where you'll start to see that mix. So, still pretty similar. I don't know if Sam ever made it over to this live stream, because he was on the last one. We were just live. Felt like randomly taking a look at some old Pokemon cards. Pizza. I don't know if anybody said anything about Little Caesars. Almost said Pizza Hut. Gotta remember all the different slogans. It's nobody out pizzas the Hut and Little Caesars. Pizza. No, you just got here. Don't worry, we're not ending it right now. Just started 7 minutes ago. You're making a case study? That's pretty cool. Those are kind of difficult. Depends on what it's about. Like, if you're doing one on the April 27th, obviously that's really hard. I don't know what you're making it about. What date is it on? Or what event's it about? Tightening my microphone. Hopefully that's not too loud. But I think that fixed the issue. So what's it about? May 24th, 2011 super outbreak. Okay, so when I think of that date, I think of the El Reno Piedmont tornado, which was over there. And then I think of that being like a second scary storm for the Joplin area. So, because they had so many storms after their tornado. So, once again, if you're just tuning in, I am watching, along with many other weather enthusiasts, a slight risk of severe weather for damaging wind gusts, large hail, and isolated tornadoes in central western Texas, along with on Thursday where that moves. It's a less broad area for the risk. It's more centered down there. You remember the Joplin tornado? You watched old videos of that? Yeah, I have watched old videos about it too. I've also made a video about it on my channel, which was my most popular video ever. It was more of a footage compilation, but I did some information about it. Part 1 is my most popular long-form video on the channel, with 6.4k views. Fun fact, I uploaded it on May 22nd, 2024, and up until December 1st, it only had 800 views and 0 subs. After that, it went up. I think it's gotten like 30 subscribers, and it's at 6,000 views now. Obviously, my channel is not monetized, but if I were to make it monetized at some point, which I can't yet, which I cannot get monetized yet. Sorry, I was watching something, and I just realized how bad my old voice used to sound. But that's okay. So that's part 2. It almost sounds worse in part 2 than part 1. Okay, I take it back. You're going to go film your case study? Alright, sounds good. So there's part 1 and part 2, but obviously they are not monetized because I used other people's footage. They never will be. One of them is about during and just before the storm, the hours leading up to it. Oh, Sam's here. Welcome in, Sam. Yes, hello, new viewers. If you're new around here, I make weather content. Try to do updates as frequently as possible. So if you are interested in that type of stuff, please help me out by liking the stream and subscribing to the channel. Okay, I think stream's lagging. So, for those of you just joining, we just went over how we're watching severe weather in the Texas area Wednesday and Thursday, and then how that can move further north to the east. Take a look at this. So, there's the storms in Texas, and then I think we're gonna see something over here. The models are downtrending. Yes, they are, Sam. So I think we'll see something over there, possibly. That's where we might have our greatest tornado threat. I've seen a couple other people mention that as well. So that's what a lot of people are keeping their eyes on. I feel like they were looking a little bit more impressive earlier than they are now. Also, normally we use tropical tidbits, but per viewer request we're on pivotal weather, and I did know what it was about before, or what it was before, but I typically just, since I found out about tropical tidbits first, I use that. I'm going to pull up, I'm going to get our current radar pulled up. Yeah, there's also the potential for a minor to moderate snowstorm in the northeast. So I'm going to get radar Omega pulled up and we'll see what's currently going on. It just takes a bit to get opened on my computer, especially when we're live streaming. Downtrend on the February 6 and 7 storm. Yes, and we also need to talk about that. Dang, 9 viewers. That's pretty good. We'll go back to the Storm Prediction Center until Radar Omega opened. So, if you're just joining us, we were talking about how a slight risk of severe weather has been issued for Wednesday, January 29th, and how there will be damaging hail and threat for isolated damaging winds for that area, also isolated tornado threat. And then day 4, the day after, Thursday, similar risk in those areas. But then also the potential for storms up here, late into Thursday into Friday. So, we're keeping an eye on all of it. So if you are enjoying, please help me out by liking this stream. And if you want frequent weather updates, liking the channel. Or subscribing. But anyway, there's that. That's what we're keeping an eye on. Also, we're going to take a look at the just mentioned. Think they will go enhanced for the wind. It's definitely possible. I mentioned it a few days ago. I didn't know what they would go enhanced for, but I think it would be more likely they go enhanced for the hail risk over the wind. Oop, there's Radar Omega. But we're going to look at this for a second. So February 6th, there's the downtrend for that snowstorm. That's the snowstorm Misty was talking about. I hope Radar Omega isn't zoomed in to where I live still. Let's all hope it's not. Or for the people who want me doxxed. I guess you can hope it is. Thankfully I don't have location pin on, but I had it zoomed in pretty close. Honestly, you don't see it going enhanced. The NAM downtrend. How much longer am I staying live? Well, it's currently 7:27 for me. Probably another 10 or 15 minutes. So, I don't see it going enhanced either, Sam. I'm just saying that I think it would go enhanced for hail instead of wind. Why do you think it will go further north? Oh, I don't think the risk will go further north, but I think the threat will. Because, I mean, take a look at these storms in this area, Mr. Storm. Because the other ones have been on a downtrend, but that is kind of worrisome. Davis also mentioned it in one of his thumbnails, but I've also been keeping an eye on it. Hail is a crazy part of Mother Nature, yeah. And we just saw the largest hail ever recorded, I believe, over the summer in that area in Texas. DVD-sized hail. Let's look up DVD-sized hail, Texas. I think it was May 2024. Yeah, there you go. So that, look at this warning. Wait. Look at that. DVD size hail. May 28th, 2024. How tall am I? You wouldn't believe me, but 5'10". Maybe, no. Go watch my video where I was sledding yesterday. I'm the one with the brown beanie. My friend has the orange beanie. You'll see. Alright. DVD is like huge. That is massive hail. Okay, I already regret saying that. But that is massive hail. So it will be, that could just like knock you out or even kill you. Davis said, oh yeah. I was setting that up for everybody, and then I went live and I didn't finish it. Oh, Davis has one? Who else has one? You know what? What if we spend the rest of the stream finishing those? I didn't finish that. I was going to give Mr. Storm one, Sam one, Weston. Yeah, but I'm not just talking about your thumbnail. I'm also talking about all the models, how that looks a lot more worrisome than what we're watching in Texas, if you see what I'm talking about. But your thumbnail, I guess that is a part of it. Who's Davis? I don't know. So, I'll probably add a link for most people, just when they tune in. Jesse, Levi, everybody. But I think right now, only Davis, and I think I got to Levi doing one, because I was on his stream, so I remembered him. He can join and see if he has one. But yeah, so that's what we are mainly keeping an eye on as we go throughout the week. The current risks, once again, Wednesday the 29th is a slight risk, and then day 4 is also a 15% slight risk. Shouldn't use the GFS to see exactly how strong storms are. Yeah, that is a fair point, but it gives a good idea. What would you recommend for better resource? I kind of use the more basic stuff. Probably not the best, so I'm not the person to go to for advanced stuff. Yeah. Alright, let's go there. Okay, they're loaded. This is for temperatures, though. I don't want that. Okay, watch as Mr. Twister struggles how to use it. Yeah, the short-range models will always be more accurate. Don't want to use the ones that are Stormlooker 123. Why do I have the feeling that's an alt account? Is Tropical Tidbits, GFS, or Pivotal Weathers better? NATO Aaron, nice stream. We've got everybody tuning in tonight. What's up, NATO Aaron? Thanks for tuning in. You're almost to 100 subs. 97 subscribers. Go subscribe to NATO Aaron. Also go subscribe to Davis and Mr. Storm and Sam and Jesse. But, Davis launched a new channel today, too. But I'll have to figure this out. There we go. Figured it out. So there's those storms on the Nam. Poor Levi. Done filming your case study. Alright, cool. I will watch it later. Weston. Premiere it. I'll be there. That's just what I'm thinking. So, there's those storms again on the Nam. Poor people. You want to eat a storm. Okay. I'm not sure what that's supposed to mean. That's kind of concerning in my opinion, but it wouldn't feel good. Commander's got belt. Okay. We're going to start a controversial topic. I am going to... we're going to ask, who do you want to win the Super Bowl? I have to start a poll. I should look at the cape values. Yeah, we'll take a look at that. I'll take some soundings. Okay, my microphone Shoot. My microphone keeps rattling. Okay, obviously Sam wants the Eagles to win. Who will win Super Bowl? Eagles. Chiefs. We do not want the Chiefs. Yeah, I know you don't have to take the soundings to take a look at them. Alright, there you go. But now we'll get back. We're just going to take a sounding anyway. There's one. I can't see how the poll's doing. Are you quizzing Mr. Storm, or do you not know what it stands for? By the way, if you don't know, it's storm relative helicity. Let's see how the poll is doing. Okay. So, it looks like we've got a lot of people who like the Chiefs in here. Cool. Nice. Storm relative helicity. Yeah. Hopefully, some of us know that. But that's what we're taking a look at. So we'll probably just turn this into a chill stream. I'll be live for another 3 or 4 minutes. So we'll just hang out. I was going to take a look at what's going on the radar. You guys will see just how laggy. Oh, dude. I am going to really quickly just disable Streamlabs because its automatic settings are pretty bad. I don't know why, but in Mississippi, this county, look at Cape and SRH, please. Okay, do you think Davis will have a chiller stream than me? Because his chat always goes crazy. Even though it's the same exact people. I don't know why. I don't know why. SRH. Where is it over there? What timing should we take a sounding? When should we do it? Oh. Okay. I'm gonna be honest with you all. I don't use Pivotal Weather often, so I don't know where to find the SRH. Probably don't look very smart right now. You got a really cool chat. Yeah, they're pretty chill. What did Sam say? Because Davis is a chill dude that loves cheeseburgers from whatever. Okay. For the record, as far as we all know, he went there one time, and all he said was like, it's good. And then he said In-N-Out was about the same. So, just for the record, it's not like he's always saying, oh my goodness, I'm going to go to whatever. Because that shows a random amount of cable over a random spot. So, yep. I use the GFS every day as well, and sometimes the Canadian. It's better to look at the big picture. Yes, you can say that. That's actually good advice. You can say that for so many things. Okay, we're not going to start a competition about whether Whataburger sucks or not. Never tried it. I don't know if we have them here. Look at kinematics and thermos. Is that on the side? The cape is very... Okay, yep. No, you're all good. I'm just not gonna read it aloud. But I don't really care. Yeah, kinematics is like motion, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't even know what restaurants you guys are talking about anymore. Never heard of White Castle. Look at thermodynamics. Okay. Did the Chiefs beat the Buffalo Bills last night? No. We're not doing that, Misty. Yes, unless you're being sarcastic, they did. What is a hodograph? Okay, a hodograph. Let me show you, Jack. I hope you know. It's that. There's a hodograph. It happens to us all, NATO Aaron. Sam, a confluence band. I'm pretty sure that's like the direction of wind flow. Not direction. Maybe it's like, I don't know the word for it. 4 away from 100. I'm gonna start a weather-related poll. If when 129 were to go enhanced, what would it before. Damaging winds. Damaging large hail. Tornado. There you go. Sam, divergence is when, like, the winds are in opposite directions and the stronger one combines with the weaker one. You're not voting because it won't go enhanced. Yeah, it probably won't. But if it were to go enhanced. How do that many people think damaging winds? I swore it would have been hail, but it's not going to. You won't go. Yeah, there is 0 cape. Literally 0. It's going to be neither of them, though. It won't go enhanced unless it does. Please tell me you feel it will be a 2% tornado threat. Yeah, just not much. Yeah, there's cape, but not much, okay? Very little. Yeah, not enough to support and enhance. Oh, Levi's here. What's up? I guess there is some cape, but a little goes a long way. There is literally aura in Levi's profile picture, so, yep. Weston, yeah, probably 2% tornado threat. Who put a vote on 10%? Me. Yeah, Davis, we know what you meant. We know what you meant. Okay. We're not gonna start that. You can see where this is going. We need a little bit more cape for it to go enhanced. A lot more. Look at SRH. No, okay. No, we're not talking about flavors or anything. What do you mean you're exposed? No, that's just... Okay, anyway. Last thing I have to say is, where were you in health class? Correct, but it don't need... Oh my god. We're not talking about flavors or anything. But, yeah, so. With that, on that note, we're probably going to end off the stream here. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I will see you all in the next one, and... Oh, Bonnie Gaming, what's up? Right as we're about to end the stream, but hello. Okay. You're all good. Alright, but see everybody, because we're never going to end this. Oh, wait. Levi says wait. Alright. What's up, Levi? We can wait just a second. We'll see what Levi says. Send DM on Twister. What do you mean on Twister? Okay. I don't know if I have you, but you can send me one. Or I'll try to find you. So, or I can get you through Mr. Storm. But see everybody, thanks for tuning in. Weston, I'll be at your premiere. Everybody go check out Weston's Weatherwise. So, how much aura do you need to... Davis, probably like plus 5 million points. But that's going to be the end of the stream for real this time. So see everybody, and peace out.